Hi everybody, it's Deidre and thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. And today I want us to talk about Mahogany Hill Homes that is nestled in the beautiful parish of St. Anne. So if you're interested, please go ahead and stick around. Okay everybody, let's just dive right into this video. But before we do, have you hit the subscription button yet? If you haven't, you know exactly what to do. All right, so Mahogany Hill Homes, as I said before, is located in St. Anne. And St. Anne has been a favorite topic of mine and also yours, and that's why you're here. So this development is one of the most affordable ones on the market now for this area, because typically, as you know, St. Anne developments are a bit pricey. But I think this is a welcome addition to the market and really nice in St. Anne. So let us check out what Mahogany Hills has to feature. Mahogany Hill is a modern family community blessed with parks and open spaces on a gentle hillside, close to the amenities of St. Anne's Bay. The houses are single-story family homes, and 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom units are featured. It also features a sun-shaded veranda, car park, and a generous garden. Many smart home features are also included in these units, such as solar panels. The units are also retrofitted for new technologies as they become available throughout the life of the home. Construction is expected to begin in 2025, so construction is slated for this year, and it's also stated, so it's also stated that it should take 2 years for the units to be completed. Now, it's not just homes, there are also residential lots that are available with this development. And get this, the unit starts at $25 million, which indeed is in keeping with current market trends. So let us go ahead and check out the floor plan. I always love that. I always love the floor plans for these units. So we can see what we're working with the units. So they start at 25 million, and that's for a standard unit. The master bedroom is 12.6 feet, so 12.5 feet, or 12 feet 6 inches by 11 feet. And the secondary bedroom is 12.5 by 10.5. So it's very similar to the primary bedroom. The dining area is 13 feet 6 inches by 7 feet 6 inches. The living area is 12 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 11. The entry porch is 12 feet 4 inches by 6 feet, and the back porch, yes, there is a back porch, it is 16 feet 7 inches by 3 feet 1. So when you look at the map, you'll see that it is located in close proximity to Ocho Rios, Draxall, that is going through just this boom of constructions and development right now, and also in close proximity to the highway that will take you back into Kingston. There are corner lots available, and these are very spacious. So the 337 square meters that I gave you, that is actually the lot size, which works out to just over 3,600 and 3,600 square feet. Yeah, works out to just above that for the lot size. So there is also room for you to go ahead and do additional expansion on these units. So you can check out the floor plan. Now I'm going to just show you guys a video of the area that this development should be taking place on.
A UK-based foreign direct investor, Craig Hartwell, through his construction company, What's Hot Energy, is investing a hefty $4.5 billion into a housing development project slated to benefit the Chester Primary and Infant School in St. Anne and the property adjacent to the school. Hartwell, the company's chief executive officer, says he met with Prime Minister Andrew Holness during his tenure as opposition leader and aired his intentions to invest in the country.
Now, I asked a very simple question. If we were to invest in Jamaica, what do you need? And the Prime Minister said, affordable housing and renewable energy. So I said, that's perfect. That's what we want to do. So we set to work.
Hartwell says he intends to provide affordable housing solutions for low and middle income workers. He's confident this will be the benchmark for affordable housing in Jamaica. He notes there will be much improvement to the company's physical infrastructure, such as its electricity supply, community Wi-Fi, sewage treatment. He says the next point of focus is the well-being of community members, hence his investment in education. The school's principal, Nadine Gordon, welcomes the opportunity for improvement.
There are some needs here in terms of classrooms. Our rooms are small and we foresee growth as we continue to improve what we do here. And the development also will probably bring persons who will want a place here for their children.
The construction period will last 2.5 years and will build 211 houses.
Okay guys, so what did you think of this development? Definitely something new, definitely something vibrant. I am really eager to see what they will be bringing once the construction begins. But if you would like to know more, you can go ahead and call the number that is on your screen, or you can visit their website for additional details. But that's all the time we have for today. Until next time, continue to stay safe and see you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.